This is an ornament made using Yarn Bee Scrub-Ology 2.0 in white. And I'm going to show you how to do this today. So what you will need is about 29 yards of this Scrub-Ology yarn, a 3.15 inch ornament, a crochet eye 5.5 millimeter hook, yarn needle, and scissors. So to get started, we're going to make a slip knot and put our yarn on our hook. So you can either start with a magic ring or circle, or you can chain 4 and join to the first chain to create a loop. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. So you have a small circle. You're going to chain 2. We're going to crochet 10 double crochets into this circle. So 1. If you've never done a double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We're going to do this 10 times around the circle. Alright, once you get to the end, your 10 double crochets, you're going to insert your hook into the first double crochet to connect, yarn over and pull through both loops, and we're going to chain 2 and start round 2. We're going to put 2 double crochet into each stitch around. So 1 double crochet in that first stitch, 2 in the first stitch, 1, 2. We're going to do that all the way around, which will give us 20 double crochet for round 2. Okay, so once you have 20 double crochets around, we're going to join to our first double crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Now I have a few extra tails here. You can ignore those. My yarn broke in that last round. I had to rejoin, so just ignore my extra tails happening down there. All right. For round 3, we're going to chain 2, and we're going to double crochet 1 in the first stitch and 2 in the second stitch. And then we're going to repeat that pattern around. 1 in the next stitch, 2 in the next, 1, and then 2. We're going to do this all the way around, which should give you a total of 30 stitches in round 3. Okay, once you have your 30 double crochets in your third round, you're going to join to that first double crochet, and for round 4, we're going to be done with our increases. Now we're just going to double crochet 1 double crochet in each stitch around. So we're going to continue to have 30 single crochets in the next round, same as the last. We're just going to put 1 double crochet in each stitch around and then join at the end, and then we're going to repeat that for a total of 5 rounds. So 5 rounds of just 1 double crochet in each stitch, and then meet me right back here. All right, so now once you've finished all your rounds, we're going to leave a little bit of a tail here and finish off. So we're going to pull this out. first we're going to take care of our tail down here at the bottom where we started. So put that tail on your yarn needle. We're going to put that through the bottom hole so it comes out. And we're going to cinch it, pull to cinch it shut nice and tight. And then make a little knot. And then we're going to weave that in a few times. And then clip it off. And then we're going to take our ornament, pop it in there. Put the tail on our yarn needle. I'm going to go in and out around that very top row of double crochet. Just kind of gently start tugging as we go. Tighter and tighter as we get to the end here. Last few stitches. Pull it nice and snug and loop around a stitch near you to create a knot. And then weave your tail in for a few rows. And there you have it, super cute and sparkly. So have fun with that. Be sure to check out the other ornament patterns on my channel. Subscribe so you'll see all my new stuff, and I hope you had fun.